Bohol Explorer RPH. Welcome to my vlog today. Here is the water. There, oh, there, the water.
Wow, you can already see part. Ay, hindi mo makita sa video.
Kanang na padong left, guys. Padong na siya sa Bilar. Padong siya sa Incuman Falls. Dire. Going to the right. We are going to Agan. Damag ba? Kanang gidamag.
Sa Incom, hindi. Bato, ito usa.
O, katong gintuan ba?
Okay, bells.
May kaliterag small ang road. Nakatanog cement.
Okay, bye. See you later, alligator.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you. Kada padong na sa bukid kare damagan re.
So turn left. Kaya na nakasulat Damagan Falls.
Pila ka ay upo amo na ipo falls daghan bitaw mga falls diha.
Oh, gibutan
Wala na ko on.
Wow, it's the forest.
Oh, it's like mini.
Oh my God.
Costa Rica. Dito magbadya. Dito magkatanay mo. So dito na kami, dumating na kami dito sa Damagan Falls. Ito na yung falls, entrance. So dito yung mga car parking pero di masyadong malaki. So this is the way to the waterfalls. I like it like last time. Ang daming matataas na coconut. May mga vlogger from Ubay. O, di matabang, oh. Oh, mga vlogger from Ubay. Oh, mga Sharon Cunita there. Dire kay ag view pod ni lain pod ag view kaysa dinhi katos Incuman lahi pog view ato. Mas layo-layo man kun lakawon daan eh. Oh, this is the view, guys. So, kabasakan mo naog patagamay. Rice terraces. Nice. Okay. This is this way to Damagan Falls. So ganito po, guys, this is my second time na nagpunta dito. Now it's green kasi may tanim na po na rice paddies. Hoy, diri ra agi dito ra agi pikas. Aw da ka agi ning, ka agi kem. Hoy, dali na. Hello moto. Welcome to Damagan Falls.
Yes. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Say mama.
Oh, very nice here. Look at the hot.
Yes, that's what I told you. And look at the coconut there. Pwede ta magtaod og swing. The swing. The coconut murag swing. Nice swing. Hi swing. This is the nice view. Awesome. Beautiful nature, guys. All green. Bukid. And the coconut is bending from the typhoon, I think. Ganda. Beautiful. See the nice view here? Wow, the bukid and the paddies.
Wow, model walk. So nice here, guys. Si Mama pod posing. Naitarsier sa kilid.
Hello, Bohol Explorer RPH. Welcome to my vlog today. Here is the water. There, oh, there, the water.
Wow, you can already see part. Ay, hindi mo makita sa video. But in real life, you can see the water already. Kuya, kaya mulakaw diri, guys, kung uwan bitaw or like pag-ura nag-uwan.
While you look going to the waterfalls, you will enjoy the
But napoy mga cement, as you can see. But be careful where you're walking kay slippery and mahulog ka na simba ko luoy pod.
very slippery road.
Wow, mura dyan yung Lobok, guys. Look at the mountains and the pretty trees. Woo! Slippery good. Kung mula ka mo here, guys, ang pingjud mo.
Api kami maabot. Agora ta, naabot na ta. Ayaw lapad nga di.
Wow, this is so nice. It's amazing.
So you go first.
So, the entire time, tapad nimo kay na tubig. It's mura siya. Lingaw siguro ni pang raft pero gamay ra. Wow, you can see the water.
It's not so clear kay uwan, but it's nice. Wow, ganito nila. Hakto gina ito slow kay alimuot.
Wow, here we are. Welcome, Agan Falls.
On my reels, thank you all so much. Balikan sa balik piso.
Oy, ang pingdira day.
Okay, next. Ay, solo si. Kada sa kong selfie stick. That's the way going to the waterfalls. The sisters. And the cousins. Lagaw na inday, kamu gali. Okay, be careful. Careful guys. Kay dangog kayong dalan.
Okay na, gano'n naman, okay na.
Wow, this is the view. Ala na sila yung mga kuan lagi, mga cottage. Jesus. Diyos nga mahan, Diyos nga anak. Diyos nga Espiritu Santo, protect us always here in our adventure today here in the jungle. And the waterfalls that you created, nature. Thank you so much, God. We believe in God because we are the Catholic faithful. Sorry sa mga hindi po Catholic. For those who are not Catholic, just respect us. Because God is our... Wow! Look at this! But it's not so clear. Okay lang. Kay kuan man nakita na to ang waterfalls. Bisag dili kaayo siya clear. Kay rainy days, man God. So the water is not that clear. So this is the place. So the water is not so clear kaya it's been raining for the last few days. So a little bit milkish yung tubig. Jesus protect us, O Lord. And this is the waterfall. Jesus. Ligo na sila. That's where we go up there, and that's the big rock behind there, another exit of water. Hello to my worldwide viewers in Asia, Europe, Canada, Australia, and Africa, whenever you are. Thank you all so much. This is our Agan Falls here in Dimiao. Beautiful. It's nice to be here in nature. And look at these big rocks here. Oh, and everybody is already here swimming. And there are the swimming. And that's a beautiful, I cannot go there because the rocks are very big. I cannot pass through. Thank you. Natuwad na mag-uwi. Gaan laging tubig, wala kong mulutaw.
Ang buong cellphone sa gamit.
Ayan. And saon man na nga. Ayaw daw kay iPhone daw ba to delikado maguba. Uy, tugnawa guys. Uy. Tugnawa. Sure ka ba, di mabasa ni? Aray, makita eh.
Please don't move.
Wow.
I'm sitting on it.
Wow.
So cool. And then galit. Wow.
You hold the kuan ladder. A ladder. The rope. Doon kaya ron di ka mabihain sa kuan. Di Laura, you put the sa camera in your kuan neck or hands. Andrea, look here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like that, Andrea, like this. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Hello. I'm here again in the rear of the waterfalls, and this is the exit of the waterfalls. Here, it's nice. Thanks for watching. There they are, and I'm here in the rear of the waterfalls. So I'm going there. Jesus. I'm going here in the exit. Okay guys, thank you for watching sa aming vlog today. Manguli nami guys kay gabi na, moadto pamighag na. Nindot kay mong experience dire onya. Nami tour guide dire sa ilang baryo nga mo assist jud sa mga bisita. So dili mo mag-worry nga dili mo safety ang iyong pag-ari. Bye, thank you until my next vlog.